Hi everyone. Now this video is related to the upper bound and the lower bound. First of all, you must see that in this question the Ella's height is given as 175 centimeter and this is correct to the nearest 5 centimeter. Always see that when this type of number is given, that is, this is correct up to nearest 5 centimeter, the basic idea is you have to divide this number by 2. That is 5 divided by 2, you have to take the half of it, right? So it will be 2.5. Then if this is your number, that is 175, you can subtract 2.5 from it and add 2.5 into it, right? So when you subtract, it will become 172.5, I guess, and when you add it, it becomes 177.5, right? So what is this asking? It's asking about the upper bound. This is the upper bound, right? 177.5. Let me check the answer. Yes, it is. It's a very simple question. Now it becomes a little complicated some of the times when this type of question appears. Always remember one fact about it, that is, if two numbers are getting divided, that is, if A is divided by B, so the answer of this whole fraction will be smallest if A is smallest and B is the largest. Okay, this is a little fact about the fractions. Similarly, if A and B are getting divided, if you want to find out the largest answer, so the A must be taken as the largest and B must be taken as the smallest, right? The A will be the largest and the B must be taken as the smallest. So over here in this question, a distance is given, that is 31 kilometers, and the speed is given as 5 kilometers per hour. Both values are correct to the nearest whole number. Now if I write it like this, 31, the nearest whole number is this digit. It means that I have to divide this digit, that is the smallest value which can come over here is 1. I divided by 1, I divided by this number 1 by 2, so 0.5 will come. I will subtract 0.5 from it and add 0.5 into it. This will become 30.5, that is the lower bound, and the upper bound will be 31.5. Similarly, if I go for this speed, so this speed will be, if I subtract 0.5 from it, it will become 4.5, that is the lower bound, and if I add 0.5 to it, it will become upper bound, right? Now what's being asked? The upper bound of the time. So first of all, let me write down the generic equation of the generic formula for the speed. Speed is equals to distance upon time, or for the time it will be, this formula will be manipulated, that is time will be equals to distance upon speed. It means that I have to put distance in the numerator and speed in the denominator. So how I'm going to put these values? My question is asking me about the upper bound, and for the upper bound means the largest value, I have to put A largest, that is the one which is coming in the numerator must be the largest one. So if distance is here 31, so the largest value is 31.5, and the speed must be the smallest one. So the smallest speed is 4.5, that is the lower bound of it. I'll put 4.5. If I solve it, let me solve it with the calculator and see what my answer is. Yes, its value is 7 hours. Let me check the answer. Yes, it is 7 hours. Hope it will clarify a few more facts. Thank you very much.